Welcome back to Rider Fusion, where performance meets passion. Today we're diving into the 2026 Aprilia RS 6060 Factory, a middleweight sport bike that blends track-level tech with everyday rideability. If you love sharp design and serious performance, this one's for you. Design and factory DNA. The RS 6060 Factory takes Aprilia's racing heritage and sharpens it even further. Lightweight forged wheels, premium suspension, and aggressive aerodynamic styling give it a true race-ready look. Every line screams speed, even when the bike is standing still. Engine and PRF form an NC, powering the 2026 RS 6060 Factory is a refined, parallel twin engine, delivering thrilling acceleration with smooth torque across the rev range. It's fast enough for the track, yet friendly enough for spirited street riding. Exactly what a modern sport bike should be. Suspension and a Nandel what makes the factory version special is the fully adjustable hinge suspension. This setup offers razor-sharp cornering, better feedback, and confidence at high speeds. Whether on twisty mountain roads or a race circuit, the RS 6060 Factory feels precise and planted. Technology and rider aids. Aprilia packs this bike with advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and quick shifter. The TFT display keeps everything clear and customizable, giving riders total control at all times. Final Takoi JXTs, the 2026 Aprilia RS 660 Factory is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Lightweight, powerful, and loaded with premium components. It's built for riders who want race-bred performance without sacrificing everyday usability. This is middleweight perfection, the Aprilia way.